part of your living area where you'll be sitting your sofa set. The kitchen area, you can have a look at the interior with the platform. And now this is your master bedroom. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Sipani City Phase 1 which is located here in Madapanahalli of Sarjapur in Bangalore, and the project is developed by Sipani Properties, and today we'll be doing the model flight tour. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project, and right now we are here on the actual land parcel. So basically this is the main entrance of the project. And now once you enter, on the left hand side is your marketing office and the land parcel is right over here where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this 3D model. And Sipani City, constructed in 70 acres of land parcel, developed in 7 phases, currently launched with phase 1 consisting of 8 towers in 10 acres of land parcel. And here they have opened with 5 towers for now, with each tower from 3 basement, ground plus 13 and 18 floors, with exclusive 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, and for each phase they have a separate amenities. For phase 1 also they have luxurious amenities like of 17,000 square feet of clubhouse, 2.2 acres of central park, swimming pool, amphitheater, kids play area and many more. Additionally, they have the sports complex as well, and which is open for all the residencies residing in Sipani City. Now about the location part, and the project is located in Madapanahalli of Sarjapur in Bangalore. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the main entrance of the project just behind me, and the project has seamless connectivity to Vartur, Sarjapur and even Whitefield. Now about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Vashishta School of Excellence in 2.4 km. Gunjur Mogalur Road is 2.6 kilometers and D-Mart is within 4 kilometers from the location of the project. So now this is your 3 BHK of 1660 square feet super built up area. Now let's have a look at this model flat. So once you enter, there is no direct living or the dining area. They are providing with this beautiful spacious foyer area for your privacy. And now once you enter, here's the L-shaped living and the dining area. So first let's focus upon the living area. So this is the part of your living area where you'll be sitting your sofa set, the couch exactly in front of the TV unit. And the living area comes with a connecting balcony as well. Here's the balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered, giving you perfect view of the scenery. And now here's your dining area. So the concept of the kitchen is the open kitchen concept basically. So you can add up your dining table exactly in front of your kitchen area, giving you a perfect access. Now here's the kitchen area. You can have a look at the interior with the platform, the cabinets, and the kitchen is much more spacious. And now right here is the utility space. Here's the utility space with anti-skid flooring and provision for machines. Moving further towards your bedroom space, so your bedroom number 1, that is the guest bedroom, is right over this side near the entrance. Once you move inside and you can have a look at the space over here, there is ample of space to move around in the room with a huge bed space right here, window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's the wardrobe space, so you can add up a full wardrobe over here, and even the space where you can add up your work table, your dressing table as well. The TV unit space over here, and now attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving further towards your bedroom number 2. So your 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house. You have to walk through your living and the dining area. And now right over here is your bedroom number 2. So once you move inside this bedroom, and you can have a look at this. So here's the bed space with a huge window for ventilation and lighting. And here's your wardrobe space over here. So now let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with some sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and last but not the least 360-degree location tour of each and every project. So for all this, you just have to register yourself for free on housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. But before that, once you step outside the room and right in front is your common washroom with Indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fitting. And now this is your master bedroom. And this is the most spacious room in the house with a huge bed space. And even it has a Juliet balcony as well. So let me show you the Juliet balcony. That is a stunning balcony with Indiskit tiles and iron railing. The TV unit space over here, and now for the wardrobe they are providing you with this walk-in wardrobe concept. So here's the walk-in wardrobe with attached washroom with Indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here in Madapalhalli location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And even if you are looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.